waiting for the girlfriend. She's running to the bank. So I thought I'd take a minute because I seem to be the whisperer of Chevy models. And I thought I'd make a prediction here for the new mid-engine Corvette. I've been thinking a lot about this and following a lot of the automotive news lately, and I feel like we got three options. I feel like it's going to come with an LT1, naturally aspirated V8 as base model. I think they're going to bring out the 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 they just announced for the Cadillac. I think it'll be a little bit tweaked, so it won't be the same motor, so Cadillac still gets their unique engines. But GM's just not the type to make unique engines. They're the type to make a good engine and put it in everything. And then I think they're going to make their 5.5-liter, whatever the bigger version's going to be. It's going to be the 800-horse shredder of all tires, slayer of all roads. And that will be the top end. I think the car is going to start at 160 grand. Reason I picked that price is a well-spec'd ZTK package ZR1 is like 148,000 US dollars, so 160,000 US dollars for the base model of the mid-engine doesn't seem too unrealistic. I think the reason the price is going to be higher is it's going to be a little bit more exotic. There's going to be more carbon fiber and more suede inside, and there's going to be a lot nicer things. I think they're going to try to get rid of a lot of the plastics. I think they're going to try to really up their game and improve on a lot of little things that GM gets a bit of flack for now. I mean, not that I really have any issues with it, but some people just cannot handle the fact that there is plastic in cars. And they think if you spend $100,000, there shouldn't be. Well, I mean, it costs money to build them, so is what it is. I think this car is going to hit the track, and I think it's going to redefine what an American sports car can do and pricing. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe, take care, behave, as always.